Ma'am, you start getting mouth me, you'll end up in jail. Don't.
I'm not swearing. I'm not swearing.
Don't talk back to me like that, okay? Larry Myers versus Phyllis Finley.
Around here.
Mr. Myers, I got you and Miss Finley.
I'm here.
I guess I'm not sure what we're doing here. Somebody filed a lengthy, I don't even know what it is. Mr. Myers, it looks like it was filed by you. Oh, no. Miss Finley, you filed this lengthy, whatever it is.
No, I did. I did, Your Honor.
You did? Let me just rehash what I see then. It looks like I ordered the deposit. Let's see. She was to deduct $710.50 from your $1,500 security deposit. That left that balance of $789.50.
Right, which she has not paid, Your Honor.
Okay, and so this is your claim for that $789.50.
Yes, and Your Honor, that's why I filed this action. She attempted to send me money 30 days, and only after I filed the small claims of $209, which doesn't satisfy what I have coming back. That's why I filed the action. Okay. And you gave her 10 days. And also, Your Honor, it's been 110 days since I left her apartment. It's well outside of the 45 days Michigan statute that landlords have to return your security deposit or they lose any claim to it.
Yeah, we're not going through so this is a small claims matter. So we're kind of past that. We're on to just whatever you got, what did you filed.
Okay.
Miss, hold on. Miss Finley, did you file the order? Did you send in that $789.50 that he had coming from that balance?
I sent you paperwork on showing.
Well, no. My judgment says judgment was $710.50, and then you were to deduct that from the security deposit. Did you do that?
I also have a judgment from you on him.
No, I'm going by this judgment only. This is the only one I'm concerned with. Did you follow the terms of this one?
Yes, I did. On September.
She didn't, Your Honor. She did not give me anything.
Hold on. Ms. Finley, so you sent him $789.50?
On August 16th, I mailed him a check for $209. I also put the two judgments in the envelope. That he didn't cash for 3-4 weeks. So I sent another check with the same information. September 13th, I sent it certified mail, and he signed for that letter with his check in there. And he has not cashed that.
Ms. Finley,
you did not give me what the judge ordered.
Hold on.
The judge ordered you to give me my $789.50 back. You did not do that.
Where's
the remainder?
No, I said shall be satisfied. This judgment amount shall be satisfied, and that's $710.50 by deducting from defendant's security deposit, which is $1,500. If you subtract those two, it comes out to $789.50. I'm not talking about any other judgment, just this one. I don't want you combining a bunch of stuff that we got to kind of go through. Why didn't you send him $789.50?
Well, for one thing, he lied all through court.
No, we're not. We're past that. I gave him a judgment for this. This is what actually I gave you a judgment, and this is the balance you owe him.
Okay. I can see I'm not going to get anywhere today. This man has destroyed my apartment building. He's put me
I'm going by this judgment. Whatever we got here, this is what we're dealing with today. Anything else, you know how to file your landlord tenant matters. He's got coming out of that security deposit $789.50. Where is that? Mr. Myers, just be quiet for a minute, okay?
Okay.
Where's the $789.50?
I sent him check. He didn't cash it.
For $789.50?
No, she sent me a check for $200.
$209.
Where's the $789? Is what I'm concerned with.
Well, then I guess I'm going to file a case on him because
Well, we're going to deal with this one first. Where's the $789.50 that you owe him?
he didn't receive it because I subtracted the first judgment you gave me in May.
I didn't say do that on this judgment.
She asked you, Your Honor, and you told her no, she couldn't do that.
It's in writing to send the remainder. Well, the remainder after what he owes me.
On this judgment.
$4,000 this guy has damaged, and you
On
give him
this
a lousy
judgment.
$200.
Miss Finley, we're talking about this judgment only.
Yeah. Well, why don't you tell him to stop coming by my apartment
And
screaming out, Landlord? No, it's okay for him to do.
Miss Finley,
harass me.
what am I going to do?
Your Honor?
Hold on, Mr. Myers. Jeez.
Okay. I'm sorry.
How you sent him a check for how much? How much did you send him for?
$209.
And that doesn't cover this one. So now, what was
$710.50, which you awarded me, which was not the proper amount. But prior to that, you give me a judgment of $580.
We're talking about this judgment only.
I understand what's going on here. I understand perfectly.
So when are you going to pay the balance of this then?
When I take him into court?
No,
Your Honor, I would like to
Mr. Myers, please. Mr. Myers, please. If you got to keep your mouth shut. You're like a little chatty bird. Keep your mouth shut.
So you're telling me the first, so get this straight. I cannot take him into court for the $580.50 that you judged for
We're
me.
doing it. You guys got so many out there. Every time I tell you found something else. I'm talking about this judgment only.
I understand
this one only.
But I can't. Are you telling me that I cannot file for the $580.50 that you granted me?
That's a whole different case. You've got to pay him what I ordered on this thing.
Yeah. You know how much money I'll get out of him? Nothing.
Miss Finley, that's not. I'm concerned with is what we have.
He had a dog in my apartment building for 7 months.
You know what?
Signed a statement in December, the last time we were downtown Flint, stating he would pay the $700 for the 7 months he had the dog in my apartment building. But he flea bombs the apartment, kills his dog 2 weeks later, and then still I have not received no $700. That his word don't mean crap. So you're going to award him that? Do you think he's going to pay me anything?
So Miss Finley,
not an award. You owe me that.
So what do we?
This is a compulsive liar. He lied in court.
Guys, I'm getting.
I understand that, but you know what? I sent you paperwork showing.
Miss Finley, we've been through this. I'm not going to go through all that right now.
Oh,
I got one judgment in front of me. And he's filed his judgment to collect. That's what I have.
You know what?
So
landlords don't have it.
So when are you going to pay that balance? $580.50.
I paid him $209. That's what I owe.
I know it. And you owe him $580.50 now.
Yeah, my judgment that you gave me.
Why don't you
that sounds like a fair deal.
Ma'am, you start getting mouth me, you'll end up in jail. Don't.
I'm not swearing. I'm not swearing.
Don't talk back to me like that, okay? Keep your mouth shut.
Hold
on, keep your mouth shut. Now I'll take testimony from both of you for a brief second. Let me get rid of one more case, but I'm telling you exactly what I'm doing. Now, Ms. Stelwick, are you still there? And Ms. Finley, why don't you raise your right hand there for me? Do you swear from the testimony you're about to give will be the truth?
I do.
Okay. And you sent Mr. Myers a check for $209. Is that true?
That's true.
And was dated, he says it was dated September 13th, 2024. Is that true?
That's true. He even got a check for August 16th of
Okay.
this year.
And
Two
then
checks sent out.
he had a security deposit of $1,500. Is that true as well?
That's true.
Okay. And then you've got apparently what you tried to do is use some other judgment and kind of balance them out. Is that what you did?
I got a judgment in May, and that's what I did. You give me a judgment.
And why didn't you just claim on that judgment? Why didn't you just follow through on that judgment instead of going through all this?
Because I don't know the law that great.
Okay. All right. We'll apply the $209 to this judgment that Mr. Myers is talking about. That leaves the balance owed to him $580.50 plus court costs of $98 for a total of $678.50.
Your Honor,
Yes.
I gave you paperwork showing when we went into court last time, he claimed he lied all through his testimony. He said that.
Ma'am, I'm not going to rehash things just like on that other.
Can I just say this?
Nope, we're not going to go back through another
Oh,
case.
no. Well, maybe
If
a higher court.
you've got some other case or some other motion, I'll handle it, but this is his matter right now.
Yeah. Mhm.
And you got to drop the attitude, Miss Finley. You're going to get yourself in trouble. Okay.
Your Honor.
Judgment for Mr. Myers, $678.50. We're all done before somebody gets in trouble. Okay.
Well, Mr. Mayor, can I ask a question real quick?
What?
Your Honor?
What?
I'm gonna. You gave her 10 days on the prior judgment to return it. It's been a month and a half.
I'm not giving you legal advice. I've dealt with your judgment now, and you've got your judgment.
When she got to pay me? When did she have to pay me?
30 days, just like my normal
You gave her
small
10 before, but
Sir,
now you're going to give her 30.
Sir, I'm not going to go. You two need to be done with each other. I don't know what's going on, but
That's right.
I'm giving you a judgment, Mr. Myers, for that amount, $678.50. However you want to collect on it, that's up to you as well. Okay.
Well, I'm going to file garnishment papers.
Okay, we're all done. Good luck to both of you.
Okay. Bye-bye.